Welcome to Pipex.ai, India's trusted B2B marketplace for industrial products. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a proforma quickly and efficiently. First, log into your Pipex.ai account. From the left navigation menu, go to Billing and Quotes and select Proforma. To create a new proforma, click the Create New Proforma button. Now begin by selecting or adding your customer details. If the customer already exists, simply search and select them. Otherwise, you can add a new customer by entering their business information. Now enter the details such as payment terms, proforma date, validity period, and delivery time. Next, add the products you want to include in the proforma. Select the products from your catalog or enter them manually. Specify the quantity, unit price, type, or unit of measurement such as pieces, kilograms, grams, centimeters, pack, box, set, or dozen, discount, and any applicable taxes. You can repeat this process to add multiple products based on your customer's requirements. The total amount will be calculated automatically. If required, add shipping charges, additional notes, and any special terms and conditions. Your saved profile settings, including your company details, logo, signature, and bank details, will automatically appear on the proforma. Before proceeding, click Preview all the information carefully to ensure the customer details, products, pricing, and tax calculations are correct. Once everything has been verified, click Save to create the proforma. After saving, mark the proforma as reviewed. You can download it as a PDF, or send the proforma directly to your customer via email or schedule the email to be sent at your preferred time. The Proforma module also helps you organize your records. You can easily view draft proformas, reviewed proformas, expired proformas, and deleted proformas from their respective tabs. Congratulations! You've successfully created your proforma using Pipex.ai.